Chef Doreen Fong here. Today I'm going to make an easy recipe for Salisbury steak. Salisbury steak, it is a simple thing. It's almost like hamburger steak. Ground beef. I've used all these ingredients that you should have in your own kitchen. Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, granulated garlic, with the onions and the sauce. First, I'm going to go ahead and add my ground beef into the bowl. I'm going to add my granulated garlic, my beef base, my salt and pepper. I'm going to go ahead and kind of stir that up. I'm going to add my Worcestershire sauce as well as my ketchup. Get that all stirred up, nice and combined. Then I'm going to add in my egg, which I've already beaten, and add some salt. And then lastly, I'm going to combine the breadcrumbs right inside. I'm going to go ahead and mix that right up. And then I'm going to make sure that I divide this into 4 equal parts. You can either weigh it out or just eyeball it, which is fine as well. And you're going to form some oval patties. Once I've formed the patties, I'm now going to get my pan. I'm just going to like a medium to large size saute pan, put some oil in it, heat that up nice and hot. I'm going to sear off each of the patties, put them all in the same pan. I'm going to sear it off for 2 to 3 minutes on each side so it's slightly browned, okay? Once I've cooked that off, so it's about 6 minutes that I've already been cooking it, I'm going to pull it back out, set it aside. I'm now going to add my onions into the pan. So it's going to cook in all those wonderful juices from the patties. Once that's sauteed for a little bit and I've softened it a bit, I'm going to go ahead and add more Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, and my beef broth. I'm going to cook that and let it simmer. Then I'm going to go ahead and add my cornstarch in there. I'm going to let it thicken some more. Then I'm going to add my heavy cream and finish it off with my butter. Once my sauce has thickened somewhat, I'm now going to add my patties back into the pan. And I'm just going to let it cook. And I'm going to cover it. And I'm just going to let it cook in that wonderful gravy and that sauce. It's going to be so delicious. Maybe a couple minutes in, I'm going to go ahead and flip them over. It's still going to be cooking in that wonderful sauce. Check it for doneness. So it's about 4 minutes have already passed. Check it for doneness. Make sure it's cooked to the way you like it. Well, you know, just make sure it's cooked all the way through. And then you're going to go ahead and pull it out and you're going to serve that. Today, I'm going to go ahead and serve that on mashed potatoes. But you can serve it on mashed potatoes or rice or any type of carbs that you like.